Todd Daily is the VP of Engineered Solutions at Tri-City Electric. Todd, thank you for joining me today.
Thank you. As everyone said, my name is Todd Daily. I'm the Vice President of Engineered Solutions for Tri-City Group with headquarters here in Davenport, Iowa. Tri-City Group is a collection of 9 companies with Tri-City Electric being the flagship of those 9 companies. I am the manager of 3 of those services, including Tri-City Engineered Integration, Tri-City Automated Solutions, and Tri-City Power Testing Solutions, which will be our focus of today's talk. So Tri-City Power Testing Solutions is a third-party testing company where we provide electrical infrastructure preventative maintenance testing and new construction acceptance testing according to NETA standards. Proxxi wristbands are a valuable safety tool in addition to our standard lockout and tagout and safety procedures as Chris was talking about before. We often find ourselves in locations where we are not intimately familiar with the plant we're working in. So we rely on drawings, we rely on the local maintenance people and engineers, people who know the plant. But as a result, the potential for our employees to be working in the proximity of electrical conductors or equipment that has the potential to be energized is likely. So safety is always top of mind when we're doing this work. We make every effort to ensure our technicians, plant personnel, and equipment are tested in a safe and efficient manner. We use the Proxxi device as another layer of safety to our lockout, tagout procedures, test before touch verification of de-energization, and we make the Proxxi part of our standard PPE or personal protective equipment, and it's worn on the technician's dominant hand. They're going in to remove a fuse or to test something. It's that dominant hand that's typically in the line of fire.
Absolutely.
So that is where they wear that device to make sure.
I love that you make it a part of kind of your overall PPE and lockout tagout procedure.
The way it's all part of the standard procedures. It is part of our standard PPE. So the rule is if you're wearing your safety glasses, you're wearing your Proxxi.
I love it. It's a good motto to live by.
We were working at a solar farm with an incomplete set of drawings. We were not aware of this.
Oh.
The entire facility was powered up by the solar field. Solar field was turned off. So you're literally in a cornfield. So we have to power up these devices in order to test them. We have to power up our test equipment. We have to power up the devices that we're testing. So we had 2 technicians working in a big substation. They're about 100 feet apart, testing separate pieces of equipment. One of them is testing the protective relays. So you're looking for ground fault and things like that. He's got a small generator, something that you'd take to your football tailgate to keep the crock pot going.
Yeah, absolutely.
And he's got
the necessities.
He's got an alligator clip going straight to that relay.
Yep.
And he's powering up that relay to energize it so he can test it.
Sure.
What he didn't know, because we didn't have this set of drawings, is that 120 volt was fed from a step-down transformer from the solar field.
Oh.
And the solar field was creating that 120 volts. When he put 120 volts on that, it backfed a 15 kV to 120 volt transformer and put 15,000 volts where the other employee was working.
Wow.
Unfortunately, that employee got hit.
Oh.
It was.
I'm sorry to hear that.
It was very bad. We ended up taking him to the hospital. They run blood work and all that kind of stuff. Fortunately, he ended up receiving what would look like a curling iron burn, and it was not a serious incident.
Good.
So could have been absolutely
significantly
could have been
worse.
Terrible. But that was pre-Proxxi. If we had Proxxi at that time, it would have prevented that. There's no doubt in my mind.
Yeah, I mean, obviously with that step up in voltage, right? There would have been that redundancy baked into the Proxxi band that would have notified him.
Yeah, and there's a false sense of security.
Exactly.
The entire facility was down. There's no power. There's no way to get hit. After that incident, we made a conscious decision and we bought Proxxi technicians not only for everyone in Power Testing Solutions, but in other key personnel that work in industrial facilities within Tri-City Electric. So those key personnel also have a Proxxi device.